Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you live the real power of Bitnest. If you've ever wondered how automated blockchain earnings actually work in practice, stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to walk you through everything step by step directly from my own account. Right now, I'm inside my Bitnest dashboard. As you can see, I currently have 671 USDT in the wallet that's connected to my Bitnest account. This wallet is decentralized, secure, and fully under my control. Now, something interesting is about to happen. In just 1 minute and 45 seconds, one of my active Bitnest contracts worth 7,970 USDT is about to expire. And once it expires, the smart contract will automatically send me 9,883 USDT. That's the payout of a 28-day cycle with a 24% profit. Everything is automated, transparent, and executed by the blockchain without manual action from me. So, while we wait these few moments, let me explain what's happening behind the scenes. Bitnest uses smart contracts that run 24/7. Once you activate a loop, your USDT is locked for 28 days. During that period, the system processes earnings automatically. At the end of the 28 days, the smart contract closes and the returns are distributed instantly. No delays, no approvals, no middlemen, just code doing exactly what it was programmed to do. All right, we're getting close now. Let's give it a few more seconds. And there it is. The contract has just expired. Now I'm going to refresh the page so the updated balance appears. Refreshing. Wow. Look at that. My wallet balance now shows a total of 10,555 USDT. The contract returned exactly what was expected. My capital plus the earnings directly into my decentralized wallet. This is the kind of transparency that makes blockchain technology so powerful. Now, since the funds have arrived, I'm going to reinvest. I'll take 10,550 USDT and start a brand new 28-day cycle. With this reinvestment, the system calculates that in 28 days, I will receive approximately 13,082 USDT. And just like before, the entire process will be automated. I deposit, the loop activates, and 28 days later, the payout comes back into my wallet, automatically. This is how Bitnest works. It's simple, automated, and transparent. The results speak for themselves. And here's the best part. You don't need thousands of USDT to get started. You can try Bitnest with just $1 USDT, literally $1. Just to see the smart contract in action and understand how everything works before committing more. So don't wait. If you're curious, if you want to see the blockchain work for you, if you're ready to explore a powerful opportunity for automated earnings, start today. Use the link in the comments to access my step-by-step guide that will walk you through everything, from creating your wallet to activating your first loop safely and correctly. This is a powerful opportunity for anyone who wants to take their first steps toward financial independence, using technology that's transparent, decentralized, and available to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside Bitnest.